Multi-function paste machine can make paste of different shapes and colors. If you want to make paste of different shapes, just change the mold. Make water, flour, and salt into a dough in a certain proportion. Put the dough in the feed pot of the machine, and the machine will start producing automatically. We have different molds to choose from, and the replacement of the mold is very simple. The paste made by this machine is regular in shape, uniform in size. Keep the used machine clean to extend the life of the machine. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact me.